Linux provides a secure environment for online banking. With a few one-time security settings, you can make your system much safer for banking and other sensitive activities. First, lock the root account to prevent unauthorized access. Next, disable any network services you don't use. For example, I rarely use SSH, so I disable the SSH service to reduce potential security risks. You should also use a secure DNS provider. In this guide, I use Quad9, which is a free DNS service. Quad9 helps block connections to known malicious websites and can prevent malware from communicating with attackers if it ever gets onto your system. In addition, it's a good idea to scan every file with VirusTotal before downloading or opening it. Once Quad9 is set up, install WebApp Manager if it is not already installed on your system. You can install it using your Linux distribution's package manager or from the Linux Mint repositories if your distribution doesn't include it. After installing WebApp Manager, create an isolated browser profile. In my case, I create a separate Firefox profile and enable private browsing so that cookies and cache are not saved after each session. To further improve the security of the isolated Firefox app, first choose a download location so that Firefox always asks where to save files instead of downloading them automatically. Then configure Firefox to use the system DNS, which is Quad9 in this case. Don't forget to enable HTTPS-only mode in your browser windows. It helps ensure your browser uses encrypted HTTPS connections when communicating with websites, including your online banking site. Also, install the uBlock Origin extension, a reputable content blocker, which can help block malicious or intrusive ads, trackers, and other unwanted web content, adding another important layer of protection while you browse. After completing these steps, your Linux system will provide a strong and secure environment for online banking. However, one of the biggest risks is visiting a fake banking website. To avoid this, always verify your bank's official URL and bookmark it so you never have to search for it again. Finally, store your banking credentials in an offline password manager such as KeePassXC. Keeping your passwords offline is generally a safer option than storing them in an online password manager, especially for sensitive accounts like online banking.